Welcome to Sahanna Shows You. Today we're going to make a Kandinsky-inspired Christmas tree painting. Kandinsky was a Russian abstract artist. This painting is inspired by his squares and concentric circles. Here's an example. Here's what you'll need: a ruler, a blank canvas, a white piece of paper, a pencil, scissors, a glue stick, paintbrushes, paints, the colors in dark blue, lighter blue, green, and white. The last thing you need is colored piece of paper scraps. All those different colors. They're for the ornaments. First, we're going to make the tree. So fold your paper in half first. Like that. Make sure it's on the line like it meets each other. Then we're going to have the ruler. You can put the ruler end anywhere you want, make it however far you want. I'm making it about like this. If you put it all the way to the top, then there won't be any sky above the tree. So I'm gonna make it about like this. So the reason we're folding it is when we cut it will cut through and make the tree symmetrical. Okay. Make sure to cut your lines on the line and cut straight. So we're not going to use the tree. We're not going to paint it and stick it on. We're going to go like this. This is like the edge, so it won't when you paint the tree, it won't go on the blue. Like that. Now we're going to paint our tree. So you can get our template. I already taped it on. You can tape it on if you want, so it doesn't slide around. Make sure to only tape it on the paper, and so then if you put it on the canvas, then you can't paint it there. Okay, let's start painting. So don't get too much paint or it might seep through. If it's okay if you get it in by accident. When we painted the background, it won't show up because the blue is darker. Now that my tree is dry, we can take off the template and start painting the background. Yay! If you don't want the blue to go on your tree, you can add tape on to your tree cutout and put it on the tree. So squirt some dark blue onto the palette. Then add some light blue. And then don't mix it or then it's just going to turn light blue. Just keep it how it is. And just paint once across. Or maybe I should spread it like that. It's mostly light blue. Let's add a little bit. Oops. So now that you let your background dry, we can make the ornaments. Cut different size circles in your piece in your colored paper. We want them different sizes so we can overlap them like this. I've already cut mine. Don't make them other shapes because we want them to be circles. You can make them a little bit ovalish. There. Right. You can display them first. Then you glue them on. Let's take this one off. This one's super big. You can also cut stars for your top. After you add your ornaments, you can add the star. And if you want, you can use white paint to add stars like this. Sorry I didn't mention it, but you'll need a toothpick to do it. So it's thin. There. There's lots at the top. You can put them close together too, like in clusters. See how I did it? I hope you had fun making this project. Tag me on Instagram if you do. Bye, see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe.